Great domestic cleaners should have these 6 essential qualities. Can you think of a job that doesn't require a list of qualities you should prove all the time? Just like being an excellent doctor or a fantastic chef, working as a cleaner involves certain abilities and personal characteristics to be revealed, so that the job can be completed to perfection. Whether you own a cleaning company and you look for new additions to your team, or you want to apply for the position, here are 6 basic qualities all great cleaners have. If you want to hire a domestic cleaner, bear in mind that list as well. Number 1. Honesty. A domestic cleaner would spend a lot of time at their working place, sometimes supervised, sometimes by themselves. The best cleaner one can find is a person with exceptional honesty, someone who would never lie about job-related issues, let alone steal from their employer. Although figuring out if someone is truly honest can't happen immediately, recommendations are great for a start. In the position of an employer or search for a domestic cleaner, you should rely on a candidate's working past to find out if they are naturally honest. Number 2. Attention to detail. Let's admit it, anyone can grab the vacuum cleaner, dust the shelves and throw away the trash, pretending that basic chores are what makes a home ideally sanitized. It is great domestic cleaners who ensure that a premise would not only look clean, but it is perfectly maintained. That's why people or companies who are famous for being the best in the cleaning business offer detail-oriented cleaning service. Being focused and observant is a quality any self-respecting cleaner should show. Number 3. Excellent secret keeper. Over time, the domestic cleaner often becomes part of the family because of the many hours they spend together at home. Chances are, personal information spreads around the house, or the cleaner faces a situation that is meant to stay between the 4 walls of the house. Under no circumstances should a domestic cleaner pass sensitive information to a friend or a colleague. Full discretion is what makes a good cleaner great at their job, so if you like gossiping, maybe you should look for a different occupation. Number 4. Perfect time management. Being well organized is crucial for any job, but when it comes to cleaning, good timing is a must. Homeowners would expect that their domestic cleaner can tackle defined chores in a certain time frame. That's why knowing how to distribute time appropriately is a quality that matters. It takes a while for any cleaner to figure out their cleaning system, but eventually, a great cleaner would end up with effective timekeeping that allows them to meet their employer's cleaning needs. Number 5. Fitness. Although this is not a personal quality, it is still worth mentioning that being in good physical shape has a positive impact on the cleaning job. To deal with chores efficiently and on time, a domestic cleaner should be able to move around the house quickly. Furthermore, cleaning tasks like vacuuming or mopping the floor are tiresome, so the healthier a cleaner feels, the more productive their work becomes. Number 6. Kindness. Last but not least, a great cleaner should treat their employer and colleagues friendly and with respect. Who would feel motivated to work with someone hostile and not in the mood all the time? If you are on the market to hire domestic cleaners for your company, do your best to find cheerful people. Both your team and clients would gladly work with a person who seems happy with their job. There is nothing simple about finding a great domestic cleaner. So once you meet a person who has the whole package with qualities, do your best to treat them with the appreciation they have earned. Enjoyed our content? Give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and subscribe for more of the same. Have questions or ideas? Want to ask us something? Drop us a line in the comments below. Also, we would like to invite to join our virtual online masterclasses to learn more about keeping your home clean and tidy. Thank you for watching, and until next time, FastKlean. A greener and healthier future.